Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. In the daily weather briefing, if we look into monsoon activity over the country during past 24 hours, then we can see that over Sagar Island of Gangetic, West Bengal, 21 centimeter of rainfall has been reported, and over Damdam, Salt Lake, Diamond Harbour, Canning, Barakpur, Jhargram, Haldia, Malda, Midnapur, Mohanpur and Kalaikunda, 7 to 11 centimeter of rainfall, heavy to very heavy rainfall has been reported. This rainfall has realized in view of the low pressure area over southern parts of Gangetic, West Bengal and neighborhood, which formed yesterday at 17:30 hours IST of yesterday, that is 20th of September. And also heavy rainfall has been realized over Odisha. And if we look into the Sambalpur and Hirakund of Odisha has reported 11 centimeter of rainfall, and Jagat Singhpur, Kyonjargarh and Angul has reported 7 centimeter of rainfall. And also the heavy rainfall has been realized over East Rajasthan, over Bhilwara and Sirohi. And if we move into the peninsular India, then very heavy rainfall has been realized over Telangana, that is one station there, Medak, where 13 centimeter rainfall has been realized, and over Chittoor 9 centimeter of Rayalaseema. And similarly, one station, Kolar of South Interior Karnataka, has reported 11 centimeter during past 24 hours. So accordingly, the entire country has experienced normal to active monsoon conditions, barring a few 4 to 5 subdivisions which has reported weak monsoon conditions, which is shown in this slide in red color. And if we look into the deep blue color, then that is showing vigorous monsoon condition. That is the rainfall realized uh, greater than 4 times of the normal monsoonal rainfall. And over these light blue colors, the monsoon has remained active. So if we come into the synoptic situation, then as we just saw that a low pressure area has formed over southern parts of GW and neighborhood, GWB and neighborhood, and Gangetic, West Bengal and neighborhood. And this low pressure area is very likely to weaken gradually during next 48 hours. Although its associated cyclonic circulation is very likely to move westwards across North Odisha, North Chhattisgarh, and North MP during next 3 to 4 days. And also there is a cyclonic circulation over East Rajasthan. This cyclonic circulation also is very likely to move southwestwards during next 2 to 3 days, coming over to Saurashtra region by after 2 to 3 days. So these two are the major systems which are causing rainfall activity over Western India and over Eastern India. And monsoon trough is running across these two systems, and also there is a north south trough running from the cyclonic circulation associated with the low pressure area to Telangana across interior Odisha. So accordingly, if we see under the influence of the movement of this low pressure area during next 3 4 days across North Odisha, North Chhattisgarh and West MP, so this is going to be major rainfall warning area. Although the rainfall activity is not likely to be that much intense, as we are moving into the final days of southwest monsoon, but there will be isolated heavy rainfall likelihood over Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, South Rajasthan, Gujarat, and northern parts of Maharashtra during next 3 to 4 days. Although today there is a probability of very heavy rainfall up to 15 centimeter rainfall over Gangetic, West Bengal, and Odisha today, but from tomorrow that rainfall will only be isolated heavy rainfall. And there is then there is isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall probability also over East MP on today, and over Gujarat region on today, and then after After that, over Gujarat region, isolated heavy rainfall would continue up to 25th of September. And over Saurashtra and Kutch, fairly widespread rainfall would continue, light to moderate rainfall, but heavy rainfall warning likelihood is not there over Saurashtra. And over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, and North Madhya Maharashtra. So, due to this low pressure area and associated westerly wind convergence over these areas, so fairly widespread light rainfall would continue, and also isolated heavy rainfall may realize over these areas during next 3 days. Now, if you come over to East Rajasthan, then isolated heavy rainfall would continue over East Rajasthan during next 5 days. But over West Rajasthan, isolated heavy rainfall probability is only for today and for tomorrow. And as far as Western Himalayan region is concerned, so Uttarakhand would continue to receive isolated heavy rainfall with fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall, and Himachal Pradesh isolated heavy rainfall for next 2 days only, on today and tomorrow. And also on 21st, that is today, and on 22nd, that is tomorrow, Punjab and Haryana may receive isolated heavy rainfall with scattered light to moderate rainfall. And if we come over to Northeast India, then only isolated heavy rainfall at just one or two places is likely over Assam and Meghalaya and MMT during next 2 days. And otherwise, for all 5 days, there is no significant heavy rainfall warning. Now, if you come over to the southern peninsular India, then Tamil Nadu is very likely to receive isolated heavy rainfall during next 3 days, with the scattered light to moderate rainfall in the especially in the Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu. And for other parts of southern peninsular India, that is Karnataka and Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh, there is no heavy rainfall warning for next 4 to 5 days. Although over Telangana, there is heavy rainfall likelihood during next 2 days. So our major rainfall belt is going to be extending from Odisha and GWB up to Gujarat and southern parts of Rajasthan and northern parts of Maharashtra during next 3 to 4 days, with isolated heavy rainfall over all these subdivisions consisting of Odisha, GWB, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, northern parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and southern parts of Rajasthan. Although the rainfall intensity would be limited to just isolated heavy rainfall. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.